Alright, yeah, welcome back. So today I got this 2001 Saturn. So the customer state whenever they turn on the AC, let me see, it is a SC2. So the customer state whenever they turn on the AC, just you don't want to turn on the ignition. See what is going on. Okay, so the customer state whenever they turn on the AC and turn the blower motor up, get that humming noise. So that sound is coming from the blower motor. So I'm going to remove the blower motor and show you guys what is going on. So most of the time you get a lot of trash on it, leaves or something. So I'm going to remove the blower motor and see what's going on with it. This key giving a lot of trouble right there, even though the key out. Okay, there you go. So let me see what size. Remove these screw from the blower motor. The correct socket. Alright, so let's see. This camera failed to focus. So it's a 732 socket. I'll put it on this step down socket so I can use the driver here to get it out. And move the one from the back first. Hook this wire. Alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about. So there's a lot of leaves on it. Keep pressing it in my pocket. Alright, so this is why the car making that loud humming sound whenever the AC is on. So should be okay now. So I'm going to put it back together. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'm using my one hand to get this thing right here. So I'm going to stop the video and put it in and do another piece of video for it guys, so stay tuned for the other part. Alright guys, so now I got the AC, the blower motor back in, as you can see right there, all 3 screws. So I'll crank it and see what's going on. Turn the AC on. So now it's a bit silent. Just the air coming from the vent now guys. And there you go. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. The channel. Bye.